The city Rajkot has emerged as one of Gujarat's high-tech city in technological development and innovation. One of the primary objectives of Rajkot under its Smart City mission is to enhance the safety and security, improve livability of the city, improve efficiency of municipal services, and promote a better quality of life for its residents. In order to achieve these objectives, Rajkot has developed a robust ICT infrastructure as part of iWay project that supports digital applications and ensures seamless, steady-state operations. As part of iWay project for Smart City Rajkot, total 902 CCTV cameras have been installed in maximum locations of the city. In this, 554 fixed cameras, 190 PTZ cameras, and 13 360-degree cameras have been installed, and by the use of 145 ANPR RLVD cameras, the e-challan system have been introduced in 5 places. Further, 38 LED screens have been installed in the city. Apart from this, to track the pollutants in the environment, 20 environmental sensors have been installed in the city. 144 Wi-Fi AP have been installed in the different parts of the city. Also, with the help of Hawker's monitoring system at 4 different locations, it assists in keeping track of illegal encroachment on streets, and that in turn helps to make the road clear for commuters. Further, to make citizens aware about any emergency, public announcement system have been launched. This also helps in providing an entertainment during certain hours of the day to the people. The facilities like water supply, solid waste management, drainage system, LED street lights, public transport buses, traffic management, law and order, security management, etc. are being supervised from the Integrated Command and Control Center of Rajkot. Hence, owing to this, crime rate has been reduced drastically.
गुजरात में राजकोट शहर में इस टेक्नोलॉजी की व्यवस्था से जो कुछ परिस्थिति बदली है, पिछले 2 क्वार्टर में क्राइम रेट में काफी बड़ी मात्रा में कमी आई है। सीसीटीवी कैमरे की निगरानी की वजह से गंदगी फैलाने और सार्वजनिक जगह पर कूड़ा जलाने जैसी कई प्रवृत्तियों में भी इसके कारण कमी आई है।
More than rupees 2.75 lakhs of penalty have been imposed on the overspeeding BRTS and city buses. The traffic police have issued e-challan of approximately 4 crore and collected more than 2 crore as penalty for violation of traffic rules. 58,000 street lights are being monitored. With the help of the environmental sensors, the concerned department is being informed about the alarming rate of pollutants. More than 2,500 people are fined for dumping the filth in public places. E-memos are also being issued for spitting and littering in the public places. The iWay project, worth 69 crores, is the realized vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Later on, with the help of technological expansion and at the cost of 150 crores, the citizens of Rajkot shall have more facilities like integrated transit management system, adaptive traffic control system, smart bus stops, smart parking, automatic fare collection system, enterprise resource planning, geographical information system, Rajkot Mitra Card, citywide OFC network, etc. in the near future. Thank you, iWay.